Good afternoon, 7th standard students. Today we are going to learn general science. In general science, we are studying chapter number 18, sound. In sound, the article we are studying is production of sound. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word and complete the sentences. First, sound is generated by the rhythmic ... of any object. Sound is generated by the rhythmic vibration of any object. Second, the frequency of sound is measured in ... The frequency of sound is measured in hertz. Third, if ... of the sound is decreased, its loudness also decreases. If amplitude of the sound is decreased, its loudness also decreases. Fourth, a medium is necessary for ... of sound. A medium is necessary for propagation of sound. Fifth, when a stretched rubber band vibrates ... works on the stretched rubber band. When a stretched rubber band vibrates, elasticity works on the stretched rubber band. Question number 2. Write the definition of the terms. In the diagram, see, this one is the fixed support, and to the fixed support a brass ball is tied with the help of a thread, and the bob is oscillated. Let A is the central position of the bob, B is the extreme position on the right hand side, C is the extreme position on left hand side. Now, first we are defining simple pendulum. The object moving from one end to the other end of its central position again and again in fixed interval of time is called simple pendulum. Second, amplitude. The maximum distance covered by an object on any one side of its central position is called amplitude of vibration. Third, time period of the pendulum. Time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period of the pendulum. Fourth definition, frequency of a pendulum. The number of oscillation completed by a pendulum in 1 second is called frequency of a pendulum. Fifth definition, elasticity. A stretched rubber comes back to its original state on releasing. This property is called elasticity. Question number 3. What are the types of sound on the basis of frequency of sound? First type, infrasonic sound. A sound frequency less than 20 Hz. Second, audible sound. A frequency of sound between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Third, ultrasonic sound. A sound frequency higher than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.